Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is on the 24th of August, of October, sorry, 24th of October. What you can see on the screen right now is basically what we did yesterday. Look at this. We were looking for sales below 27.40 and we got the sales, went all the way down and down. Yesterday, the market was crumbling like nobody's business yesterday. For the buys, didn't really follow up. The buys, we had a very good break above this point. The next candle pushed up, but then we had a formation of a bearish move candles. As you can see, this is what we call, basically, this is what we call the morning star, the evening star. This is the evening star. We have one bearish bullish candle, an indecision candle, and then bearish candle that closes below the opening of the bullish candle. So basically, when I saw that pattern, I just got out of that buys with a small loss, of course, and then looked for the sells. And when this candle closed over here, waited for this candle to retrace like this, picked my sells from that point, continued pushing down. I was just trailing it. I was trail stopping it. As it goes down, I'm following it with my stop loss. And look at the way it went. I left it at that point. At this point is where I exhausted my sales and I got out, but it still continued to go down. So let's see what we have today in terms of fundamentals. In terms of fundamentals, what do we have? Today is on the 24th. On a Thursday, looks pretty red. We have Euro 1015. The Euro news is the PMI on the Euro, on the French PMI, the German PMI as well on the Euro. Oh man, it's gonna be a lot. The BRICS, today's day 3 of the BRICS summit. Then we have the PMI on the GBP as well, following up at 11:30. 3:30, we have unemployment claims for the dollar. We have PMI for the dollar as well the same day. Oh wow. Oh, we have all the PMIs for Euro, GBP, and USD today. It's gonna be a crazy day. Day 4 of the IMF meeting is still happening today. Probably they're gonna be ending it tomorrow. Then in the evening, 10:45 p.m., Governor Bailey is gonna be giving a speech on the GBP, so that's gonna move the GBP tomorrow, of course. Great. So something to watch out for: the Euro PMI, GBP PMI, USD PMI, and employment claims on the GBP. All right. Good. Now let's remove everything and then do a fresh analysis all over. The market looks pretty much awesome. Like pretty much buys for me looks just like they would. It just look like buying anyway, without even thinking twice. I'm thinking of buying already. But let's do analysis. We don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Remember? Yeah, we usually trade what you see. So this is not really a resistance, okay? This is not really a resistance because this candle is still active. So I'm just putting it there because I know we will use it on the lower time frames. All right. So I'm trying to take this as the resistance, the support that is there. Let's go down to weekly. Let's see what we have on weekly. All right. So we can say that this is the weekly support over here. Can name that as the weekly support. So the daily. Yeah, now on daily, now this resistance makes sense now. See, it makes sense now to be on daily because this candle, yesterday's candle made that high, 27.60, and then today's candle is still trying to push up. So that's a good thing. Now we're gonna move this one down here, and then we get a daily support over here. All right, so in terms of naming them, we talk about the daily supports, daily support, no, daily resistance. I'm gonna interchange this. Move over there. Daily resistance, daily support over there. Okay. This is weekly support. All right. We go down to page 4. Pretty amazing. Look at this. This is very amazing. It looks very well. The same place. This would have been the best entry. Let me show you something. The best entry right now would have been after this candle, the way this candle started with no wick on the bottom and break closed over here. This would have been the best entries. This one, huh? Best entries. I'm gonna name that best entries. Yeah, that was the best entries for buys over there. Let me mark it. I'll just mark it with a line like that. That would have been the best interest for the buys to continue going up. But since now we're not yet in, we go down, we continue pushing down to see points where we could have, right? So we had this area as well. This would have been another entry over here. I'm trying to look for a place where we can actually get into the market right now, if not a market execution. To be honest, I've already executed a buy. I've executed a buy where it's still moving. So hoping it's gonna keep on pushing up, gonna keep on pushing up, right? So those are the areas that we are looking at in terms of those are the area that we're looking that we could have at least some. So the best thing to do right now where the market is to wait for the market to probably push down a bit and then enter the buys so that you can continue going up. Well, if it continue pushing up, then as well you can do a quick market execution with a very nice stop loss just below this previous candle, 30 minutes candle, at least to be, but it's pushing up. So definitely we're doing good. We're doing good. I'm telling you, I'm already in for a buy. So hoping that it continue pushing the way it's pushing. It's really doing good. If it continues pushing like that, we're gonna make some very good kill in the market. All right. So basically, this is our orders right now, long position. This could have been the best entry. This could have been the best entry to start with. This one, all the way like that. But since we didn't get it, this also would have been the best, another good, better entry, pushing it up. But now, so this is what we can do. We could write a buy stop. Let me see, a buy limit order. Buy limit entry at this area with 27.28. That's a buy limit. And basically, if the market comes down, picks, and then continue goes moving up. Because entering over here by it's a bit on a high. So there's a probability the market would want, first of all, to turn back to this support area. And if it comes back and your stop loss is here, it's gonna take you out. So this is where you say ishaenda, imeenda. So we have to think critically as well. Yeah. I know it looks very enticing. It looks like you should just jump in, but to be careful, you can do it with a small lot size, not the usual big lot size that you're used to. You can do the small lot size. All right. You can do a small lot size, wait for it. If it comes down, well and good, we'll add more orders. If it doesn't, still you won't miss it. You won't miss all of it. Yeah. Right. So it is. That is what it is over there. In terms of sales, to be honest, we not unless we get sales below this point, it doesn't really seem like it's going to sell anytime soon. It's pushing up and up and up and up and up and up, of course. Right? So we will leave it at that point. We will leave it at that point. We watch out for these buys as they continue. Honestly, I'm gonna hold this trade until it gets here. I'm not going to be in a hurry to get out of this market. I'm gonna hold it until it gets to the point that I want it to go. All right. And yeah, there's a probability of making the new high, of course, hitting over there. All right. So that is how it's gonna be. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day and watchful, be watchful. Risk manage your account very well. Remember what I've taught you over here. Yeah. If you're not already in, um, at least wait for it to push down a bit and then enter. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good one and take care. See you tomorrow as we do an analysis of the happy hunting. Good luck and let's make money. All right. Bye bye.